If you could describe PTP in one word, what would it be and why?
They are our cloud service partner, architect. They take care of operations, maintenance, everything. I know that's more than one word.
I guess very good partners. Like it's a partner, it's a collaboration.
Subject matter experts in bioinformatics.
Trusted?
Yeah, the biggest thing for us is that trust factor. We want to know that if we're going to go with somebody that they've got all the things that we know about and even don't know about.
Man, seamlessness, ease of use.
How has working with PTP impacted your business?
It's impacted greatly. Having a partner you trust who can help with network and cloud computing is very advantageous to us.
For us, it's critical. We cannot do it ourselves. We don't have the capacity. So why don't we hire a professional so we can focus on the business and focus on the scientific impact we can have internally?
Oh, it's absolutely critical, especially in the early days. Before a company has the ability to internalize non-core business functions, you've got to go with a partner, and you need a partner who can grow with you.
The main thing for me is kind of professionalism and, not just the speed at which they deliver, but the speed at which they get back to you, that you can kind of rely on them.
Absolutely critical. We're a small IT team, so we don't always have the expertise in-house. So having someone like PTP to be our bench, be our support, absolutely huge.